exciting video for you. We ordered some saddle pads from Ogilvy and we just got them in last week, I think. So we're going to show you guys them and talk a little bit about why we like them so much. The first pad that we got is the Jumper half pad, and it's a memory foam pad, and we just got it in it's really big, it hardly fits in the screen. We got it in gray with the white piping and black binding. It retails for $199. They also have like a thinner one, which is like the gummy pad, and I think it's a little bit more expensive. Yeah, the memory foam comes in 2 different widths too. We got the 1.25 inch, I think. Yeah. So it's the thicker one. And then I think there's an inch one, and then the gummy one. Yeah. But yeah, their pads are really great because they're really customizable. We just went with like a neutral, so it will kind of go with everything. But if you like have a theme or color that your horse looks best in, you can get that for your horse. A really cool feature about these pads is that you can get your name embroidered on it, or like your initials monogrammed on it, and it usually goes like right here. We didn't get that on our pad. You can also get like your whole name like right here, so you can't see it when your saddle is on it, but if like a lot of different people at your barn have the same one, then you don't get them mixed up. So that's kind of cool. And another cool thing about this pad is that you can actually take the cover off, so you can throw it in the washing machine if it gets dirty, and then you don't have to actually wash the memory foam part of the pad. The half pad is really cool too because it compresses and kind of fixes all the areas that you need extra support in, and it also provides a bit of shock absorption for you and your horse. The next thing we got are 3 baby pads. This is one of them. You can get them in like so many different colors. We just got a plain black with a charcoal binding. And they're really great because they don't have any straps or anything, and I really don't like saddle pads with straps. I never use them. But they stay in place because they have this like kind of almost suede-like material on the underneath side, so they kind of stick to your horse without needing any straps or anything. The lining of these saddle pads is also great because it's antimicrobial and it's moisture wicking, so it prevents any smells or anything like that. And they're also $37, so it's a pretty good price for a saddle pad. They're not like a typical baby pad, they're really like more like a regular like saddle pad you would buy. So the next baby pad we got is this white one, and it has turquoise piping and gray binding, and I think it's an extra $7 if you get the piping. But yeah, we wanted a little bit of color. You can also get them monogrammed too. And the last baby pad we got, we actually didn't order from the website, we got it from a local tack store, so we didn't pick the color combo, but it's just a navy with black binding because you can't really go wrong with navy. So we definitely recommend these saddle pads for anyone that's in the market for some new ones. Their customer service was really great too, and it only took I think 3.5 weeks to get to our house. And they say that takes 4 to 6 weeks usually, so that was good. Yeah, the quality of these pads is really superior to any pad I've seen in other tack stores. I feel like I'm never going to want to ride in any other pad. We already have like a list of like other ones we want to get in the future. They just got like a new color, Midnight I think it is, for the half pads, and I really want one now. The website's really cool too because you can make like different color combinations and see what the pads would look like, so that's like really addicting and bad. For your wallet. Yes. That is it for this review of the Ogilvy saddle pads. We just wanted to let you guys know that we did a live stream last week and it was actually really fun. So we will be doing more live streams in the future, maybe like once a month. We'll see how it goes. So look out for our live streams, and we would like it if you guys would leave a comment down below as to like what dates and times you'd want the live streams to be at, because I know everyone lives in different time zones and stuff, so we try to like do it at a time that works for everyone. And if you guys don't follow us on our social media, we actually bought a horse and we're going to pick him up tomorrow. So look out for that video coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video.